Okay guys, it's time to get started on our problem set. So let's start by reading the directions. Skip count by sevens to fill in the blanks in the fish bowls. That's these right here. You're skip counting by sevens all the way to 70, down here at the bottom. Okay. Match each count by to its multiplication expression. So that means you're going to match these fish bowls to the fish. You're drawing lines to match them. Then use the multiplication expression to write the related division fact directly to the right. So if I am going to use my multiplication expression, I'm going to write the division fact right here. So let's go ahead and let's solve these two together. I'm going to use my whiteboard so it's a little bigger. So I have 7 times 6. So my problem is, let's get this down, 7 times 6 equals what? Now, if I use the decompose strategy, I know that I am going to start with this would be one group of 7. Now it's time to start decomposing. 3 and 4 to make 10, which gives me 14. See, 1 group, 2 groups. So I need to have all the way to 6 groups. Okay, so I'm going to keep going. I'm always going to take this number and put it right up front. 14 plus 7. I'm going to go ahead and break apart my 7 to a 6 and a 1. I'm always trying to make a 10. You remember this from first grade. Always trying to make a 10. This gives me 21. 1 group, 2 group, 3 group. I'm going to take my 21. That's going to be my starting number, plus 7. Break apart my 20 into 20 and 1. 27 plus 1 more is 28. 1 group, 2 group, 3 group, 4 group. Now it's okay. I'm going to move my groups up here so you guys can still see. 28 plus 7 more. Going to break apart my 7 into a group of 2 and a group of 5. So that my 28 and my 2 make 30, plus 5 is 35. 1 group, 2 group, 3 group, 4 group, 5 groups. Then I'm going to take my 35 plus 7 more. I'm going to break apart my 7 into 5 and 2 again. Because 35 plus 5 more is an easy 40, plus 2 is 42. 1 group, 2 group, 3 group, 4 group, 5 group, 6 group. 7 times 6 equals 42. Now, if I look back at my paper, I can say that 7 times 6 is 42, but let's talk about this division problem. What divided by 7 equals what? So I have, I'll do it down here so you guys can see, blank divided by 7 equals blank. I know I am going to have to start with my biggest number in the equation. My largest number is 42. And then I already have my 7, which leaves me with 6. Okay, go ahead, work on your problem set. Remember, you are going to take a picture of this on Seesaw and upload it so I can see your hard work. If you don't have this, you can use the Jamboard version. Either is fine, and we'll see you at groups in a little bit.